Well, dear friends, on behalf of the organizing committee of the 5th International Multidisciplinary Humanity Congress, Ecuador 2025 edition, please receive a warm greeting from myself, Franklin Salas Aular, from the beautiful city of Cuenca in the Republic of Ecuador. Since its inauguration in 2021, this Congress has established itself as an academic forum for the exchange of ideas and raising awareness about issues of scientific and social relevance. Organized under the auspices of the Galileo Ecuador International Research Network and in collaboration with Advenice Pro International, this event promotes rigorous and constructive debate among teachers, students, professionals, innovators, and researchers at the international level. The initiative for the Congress arose in response to the global adversity imposed by the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, which challenged us to re-examine and transform academic paradigms in the area of virtuality, an area we had previously approached with a certain timidity in the field of research. Since then, we have had the invaluable support of various higher education institutions in Latin America. At this moment, I would like to express special thanks to the UF University of Technology in Guayaquil, here in Ecuador, which was the first institution to offer us its support. Likewise, I would like to thank the Public Pedagogical Higher Education School of Piura in the Republic of Peru and the Center for Research in Education, Ancestral and Scientific Knowledge, CISAC, at the Libertador Experimental Pedagogical University, UPEL, in Venezuela. Likewise, I would like to thank the sister network of associated research groups of Ecuador, the GIA International Network, Fundagasec, here in Ecuador, our friends at the University of MOA in the Republic of Cuba, as well as our friends at the University of Business and Social Sciences, UCES, in Argentina. Today, these are not just institutions with which we have agreements, but true allies and friends in this global ecosystem of academic knowledge. In this context, the asynchronous format of our Congress has proven to be a significant success, allowing all participants who often face demanding work schedules to enjoy our academic program at times and in spaces that suit their individual needs. This flexibility has enabled massive, more active and enriching participation in every edition, and it motivates us to continue improving, evolving, and expanding our reach. In this regard, for upcoming editions, we have set ourselves some very significant goals to further globalize our reach, incorporate the latest technologies, and increase the number of events per year. All of this is in response to the suggestions from our valued participants. In this regard, for the year 2026, and with the support of strategic partners, former Congress participants who are now great friends and colleagues, we have set out to evolve in this direction. Therefore, I am pleased to announce that next year we will expand the event to 3 editions. In this way, the Humanidad 2026 Congress will feature editions in Ecuador, Mexico, and Peru, further strengthening integration and providing more opportunities for the exchange of ideas, experiences, and culture. That's right, the Humanidad Congress is evolving. With these expectations, we hope you enjoy this academic gathering designed to provide a space for the generation of knowledge of the highest quality, aligned with the principles of warmth and humanity that are so necessary for shaping the practice of a proactive, responsible, and honest citizenship, one that creates a just and prosperous society for all our nations. I would not want to miss the opportunity to thank the entire logistics team of the Congress, the editorial teams of the Pro Hominem and Mas Vita journals, and of course all of you, our esteemed participants, who are the true protagonists of this initiative. A warm embrace to the participating researchers who are presenting as speakers through video, poster, and as attendees from Spain, Colombia, Peru, Mexico, Argentina, Brazil, Venezuela, Chile, Bolivia, Costa Rica, Panama, Cuba, Indonesia, and Angola so far. To all of you, a warm welcome. In this regard, we are still processing works that were just submitted this past weekend. We are currently in special operation mode. We will be adding each and every participant to the plan. We understand your demanding commitments and work dynamics. We are also teachers, so we fully understand. Therefore, we continue working on receiving the videos and posters that have already been approved through peer review. Of course, supporting you with any questions or updates, our team is fully available, whether by email or through the WhatsApp number, as is now customary. Throughout this entire week, you will be receiving the relevant emails with information, as well as the planned schedule for the issuance of certificates, ICBN publication, editorial processes for the proposals submitted to the journals, and other general aspects of the event, just as we have done in every edition since 2021. Finally, to paraphrase the Mexican lawyer, economist, and journalist Miguel Angel Cornejo, the difference between the extraordinary and the ordinary is just that, an extra. Thank you all for the extra effort we give every day, for the daily work we all do to help strengthen the research culture in the region and to promote research as a fundamental factor among the new generations of young scientists in Latin America and beyond. Thank you for being here. Together, we will continue contributing to humanity, strengthening academia in these times of adversity. A warm embrace to you all, and welcome to the 5th International Multidisciplinary Congress Humanity 2025 Ecuador edition. Thank you very much. A warm embrace to you all.